Get your festive summer party food pumping with flavour by adding some herbs from the Floriana range. Your guests are sure to be impressed. Grown in big 180mm pots, these advanced herbs are ready for picking straight away. Perfect in pots, planters or garden beds, they're ideal for adding fresh flavours to your salads, barbecues and summer cocktails. Keep your herbs within easy reach of your entertaining space or your kitchen so they're right on hand for when you need them. The aromatic leaves of basil sweet are delicious in summer salads paired with tomato or used to add fresh flavour to appetisers. Basil loves a warm, sunny spot but will also tolerate part shade. Harvest the leaves regularly to encourage more growth. Coriander is a must for adding fresh Asian flavours to noodle dishes, curries and salads. In the heat of summer, it prefers a part-shaded spot away from the hot afternoon sun. During the warmer weather, keep it well watered. Parsley Italian is full of classic flavour and it's a great source of iron and vitamin C. Many Italian, Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes call for this sun-loving, flavoursome leafy green herb. Summer cocktails would not be complete without fresh mint, so keep it on hand for easy picking. Mint thrives in a semi-shaded spot and it's best grown in a pot to keep its vigorous growth contained. Nothing beats the flavour and freshness of homegrown herbs, so let them take centre stage at your next barbecue or outdoor party and use them to fill decorative pots for living, fragrant and edible centerpieces.